Hey guys, what's up? So today I am making a video on something that I feel like there should be a video on. We're changing the shift boot on my 2019 Toyota Corolla hatchback. Sorry for all the sweat. It's really hot and I can't have the car on because it's a stick and I don't want to actually put it in gear. So I'm going to show you guys what I do. I did a little bit, but it's really nothing too bad, so I'm going to show you exactly what I did. I am right now where you have this off and this piece loose, that's the center trim here, is I just took, well, this was sitting here, how it usually is. I just pried this up with my fingers and I popped it out, because this is all clips, no screws, just clips, and that's about it. Now, I have to get this clear locking ring off, and it's really not that hard. You just gotta be very careful. It's hard to do with one hand, but basically you just have to slide this up and out, but you gotta be careful because there's the lock springs in here too, and you wanna make sure you keep those together and they go back in correctly. Now, I'm gonna pull it off and then I'll be right back. So basically this sits right in here like this, and you just slide this off of here, and here's the spring, you put these off and you put these to the side. Oh, I have to say, you also need to unscrew your shift knob, but I feel like that's a little self-explanatory. But you unscrew your shift knob, do that, pull all this out, and you should be able to just slide the boot over and off. Alright, now we're going to go around to the back of the boot. Be careful of these wires. Those are the wires you have to stick the IMT and the traction control. So just be careful of them. You're going to go over to the boot, and you can slide this piece out of the boot. Let's see if I can. It's just like it basically just squeezes over the top around this. So let me do it. Give me 1 second. So basically, the boot slides over around this, which is it just pulls it right off because the boot's cut a little. This boot over here is a little stretchy, and it slides off around this. And then you come around to the bottom side of this, and then you gotta pull all these tabs off to release the boot. Now just be careful because you don't want to break any of these tabs, because no, won't hold it right. No. Small update that you can undo the clip. It's kind of easy. It's just it's right here. It's like a little tab clip, and then it's just there's a little plastic clip right here, and that's it. And you can pull this out. And I'm going to do that now because it's too hot in my car. Pull the tabs out. You get the boot looking like this. I found it easier to pull the tabs out. Well, I'm not going to put the boot back in because I found it easier to pull the tabs out from going from this side to the front, from these to the next ones down here, and then to the bottom ones. I don't know why, because I tried doing it the other way. It took me actually like 5 minutes. I'm just letting you guys know now. Warning, your fingers will hurt after you pull this out. Now we're going to try to separate this. I just want all you guys know that this is the first time I'm doing this. I've never done this before. There's no videos on this, so I'm trying my best here. To give you guys a little update, I noticed there's staples at the bottom of this, and you would first think that, oh, this is just stapling like the leather together. No, it's actually stapled to the plastic trim you need to lock this back in. So you need to get like a knife or a staple remover to remove these staples. I'm going to do that now. I'm just giving you guys an update because I find this kind of annoying. It's just stapled. Hey guys, so this video is kind of turned into a fail. I kept running into issues. Some the manufacturer, some my own. Mostly me. When I ordered my shift boot, I specifically said it was for my car, so they would get it right. But I think she just ended up sending me a universal shift boot. Because it's way too long, the hole is way too small, and instead of like going, oh, I'm gonna return it and then try to get something that would fit better or just save it for another car, I said, you know what, I can make it work. So I cut the edge and to like make the hole a little bit wider. I cut it a little too much, and now it looks ripped and like pretty crappy. Then I couldn't really get it to, sorry, I'm fixing camera angles. I really couldn't get it to like sit right, so I decided to zip tie it. It looks a little janky, but that's, you know, it's just okay. We'll just leave it at that. It's just okay. And then, since it was so long, I didn't know where to cut it so it would fit in the bracket right, and I put it next to the boot, and I was like, I don't want to cut it too short, so I kind of just shoved it in there. So I'm definitely going to call this video the shift boot fail video, because apparently I can't do a shift boot. Eventually, I'm probably going to order another one and then have one of my friends who maybe has done one before try to help me, and then give you guys a better video of that. So it would be like shift boot part 2, you know, actual working. But instead, enough of me rambling on, let me show you what I did. So this is my shift boot. Yeah, from like, wait. There. From right there, it looks fat. Hold on. Yeah, I need to cut the end up a little bit better. But from like right there, it doesn't look half too bad, except when you realize deep here that the shift boot is supposed to sit in this bracket and not in the tunnel. It's held up by a zip tie. If you come like way down here, you can see, hey, how you doing? Hi, I'm part of your fail. You can see all the strands that's tight tucked underneath. But besides that, it doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna rock for it with a little while. But thank you guys for watching. From my fail, not everything works out. If you're wondering what happened here, I did visors on my car, and one of the visors tape was coming loose, so I just needed to like re-tape it. I didn't think that was video worthy.